Hi everyone, and welcome back to the 250 bird challenge. In my last video we travelled east along the Lakeshore in the Toronto area. Today we're travelling west. So we have started out at Colonel Sam Smith Park. We've been here before on the 1st of January, but we've returned. It's a good hot spot for birding. But in particular today we've heard that there is a Hoary Redpoll hanging around. That would be a lifer, so we're hoping to find it and we're going to head there first. By the way guys, when we first got here, just getting out of the car park, there was a hawk in a tree, and we've seen so many red-tailed hawks this year so far. I was gonna keep walking for a second. Sarah looked at it and she said she thought it was a Cooper's hawk. Took a closer look. Sure enough, Cooper's hawk, first of the year. It's taken a while to see a Cooper's hawk, but we finally have one. Anyway, let's head on to the Hoary Redpoll if we can find it. Okay, so there's a few other photographers just kind of behind me around the corner, so good chance the Redpoll's going to be down here. Let's go take a look. The Hoary Redpoll is rare to the Toronto area. They spend their time in boreal forest north of Superior and further north still into the tundra during breeding season. They only really appear this far south during eruptive years, probably due to food scarcity. It looks incredibly similar to the common redpoll, which is more common, but the Hoary is lighter in colour with a shorter bill, and the Hoary doesn't have any streaking around the undertail coverts, which is definitely why I got so much butt footage. Well, that was pretty cool. Hoary Redpoll is a lifer. Got some pretty cool shots of it. We're going to continue further into Colonel Sam Smith Park and take a look at what shorebirds are here, see if we can add anything else to our yearly list. Storm clouds closing in. This gorgeous looking bird is a red-necked grebe, and long-time subscribers may recall that I showed a pair of them building a nest here last year. I don't know if this is the same pair, but it's awesome to see a pair of these red-necked grebes courting again here at Sam Smith in 2023.
Oh, here we go.
Just to give it to her. common grackle. Another spring arrival. Early spring. Very early spring.
A couple more buffleheads that way. Just,
oh yeah, right there. Yeah.
Been a pretty good day today. What have we seen? Common grackle, ding. Hoary Redpoll, ding 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 ding. Lifer, redneck grebe, ding. Cooper's hawk, ding. We're going to head out of Colonel Sam Smith Park now. Just going to stop off at a pond and see if there's anything out there. Probably it's frozen over, but we'll take a look. Then we're going to head further west to Sunnyside Park, a place we haven't been before, but we're going to check it out. We've heard good things about it. Stay tuned. If you're enjoying this video, please consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button. If you hit the bell icon, you should get notifications when I post new videos. I really appreciate you subscribing. It really helps the channel, so thanks for your support. Stay tuned. So we didn't see anything on the pond apart from 2 or 3 mallards, but there was an American robin hanging out and a Downy Woodpecker, so couldn't help but get some shots of those because they were so close up. We're going to continue to Sunnyside Park now. Stay tuned. Did I say west? Oops, I got my geography a bit wrong. It's east. We've come east to Sunnyside Park from Colonel Sam Smith. Anyway, there's not a ton to see here. There's some Canada geese just landed on the lake. Buffleheads and long-tailed ducks in that direction. Behind me, there's lots of ring-billed gulls. Way out in the couple of bays down, I can see some red-breasted mergansers. Do you see anything? I think that's the extent of it. Might just take another 5 minutes to look around. But otherwise I think we'll move on to somewhere else. Just made a brief stop at Unwin Avenue. There's quite a lot going on here, and best of all, a mockingbird just flew out into the tree over here. That's the first of the year. But there's some scaup out on the water, trumpeter swan, newt swan, red-winged blackbird, juncos, cardinals, American tree sparrow. There's a lot. Okay guys, it's pretty cold out there, so I think we're going to move on. We did see a bird fly overhead, a small raptor, a falco species. We think it may have been an American kestrel. We are going to kind of just drive down the road and then back up again. But otherwise, I think we're done for this location. We may stop in at one more place, but I'm not sure yet, so You'll have to stay tuned to find out. And in the meantime, stay tuned. We're going to drive down this road, see if we can see the kestrel. But we did see one in the last video, so maybe check that out too. Okay, we've come further north, inland. We're in the Don Mills region, and there's some peregrine falcons around here. So we're going to try and see if we can see if they're hanging out, get some footage of those. Back to the warmth of the car and our trusty coffees. That's our final stop of the day, called to get the peregrine falcons. How many is that we've got today? Is that 6 birds today? It's been a pretty decent day. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe if you hit the subscribe button, and if you hit the bell icon you'll get notifications of new videos. Really appreciate subscriptions, it really helps the channel to grow. Stay tuned to this channel and there'll be more videos coming soon as we try to find 250 different bird species, and I'm sure I'll have other different bits and pieces of videos as well as the year goes by. Likes are appreciated, and I really appreciate your comments too. Like to talk to you guys in the comments. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. Stay warm, happy birding.